In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to access the thematic maps that are found in AlignMix. Now you can create a thematic map for any dataset that you've imported or created in AlignMix. There's two ways to access the thematic maps. The first way is to click on the plus button to open up a new tab, and then click here on Thematics, and from here you can select one of the four options. The second way, let's close out of this. The second way is to click here on the home menu, the Add View button. Then you can select Thematics, and here you will see all four of those options. So let's select the Over-Under map. The Over-Under map will show you which territories are above and below a certain threshold based on the dataset that you've selected here and the threshold that is set. By default, it will show 15%. We use this view most often when we're using a territory index to see which territories are above or below our index. So now let's open up a new tab and select the thematic zip code map. Now the thematic zip code map will show you a thematic based on zip codes, and you can customize the legend here that you see on the right by clicking on custom categories. You can choose to adjust the bucket colors and also the total number of buckets in your legend. Opening up another tab, you can view a territory thematic map, which operates the same exact way as a zip code thematic map. And then finally, we've got the bivariate thematic map, which uses two datasets to create a bivariate territory analysis. And you can see the breakpoints are set here by default, but you can customize those by clicking on the Set Breakpoints button, and you can simply drag up and down those breakpoints to adjust them on your map. So as soon as we let go and click OK, those breakpoints have been set. And there you go. You've just learned how to access and use the thematic maps that are found in AlignMix.